I have never heard anything like this before. Hello, my amazing people. Let's watch this video together and learn.
Relax and let the gray hairs on my head tell you a story that the wind refuses to carry. Today, the world is painted red, and every corner smells of roses and cheap perfume. They call it Valentine's Day. But listen to me. The bird that flies too fast in the morning will break its wings before the sun reaches the center of the sky. You see, this thing you call love nowadays, it has become a marketplace where people trade their dignity for cheap gifts. They tell you that today is a day to express yourself through the sheets. But I tell you, a river that forgets its source will surely run dry. Our ancestors taught us that intimacy is a sacred spring, not a public tap where every passerby can wash their dirty hands. Valentine's Day has become a day mapped out for fornication and adultery. But remember, the fruit that is plucked before it is ripe turns the stomach bitter. Teenagers are rushing to taste a life they are not yet prepared to carry. Lust is a fire that promises warmth but delivers only ashes. And for the married men and women who plan to commit adultery today, those of you who are built into homes but still wander into the bushes, the eye that wanders into another man's farm will eventually bring home the reputation of a thief. A man or woman who breaks their covenant for a moment of heat, it is like a person using their roof to start a bonfire because they feel a little cold. So my children, love is not found in the darkness of a hotel room with someone who does not know your middle name. True love is the patience of the tortoise and the strength of the Iroko tree. It is commitment, sacrifice, and honor. A man who leaps before he looks will find that the ground is much harder than his pride. My child, do not let a 24-hour calendar date rob you of a lifetime of peace. Go home, drink water, respect your body, for it is the only house you truly own. If you want to celebrate love, celebrate it with a clean heart and hands that are not soiled by the pursuit of shadows. The sun is setting and the evening breeze is cool. Let your conscience be even cooler. May your ancestors guide your feet away from the slippery mud of tonight.
What an amazing video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. See you in the next one. Bye.